The Lagos State President of the Live Birds Association of Nigeria, Olusola Osoba, has commended the Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu for his support towards the Association of Live Birds. Olusola said this at the inauguration of a new zone at the Fagba Market in Ijaye, Ojukoro, Lagos. She said the support of the Lagos State Governor has improved the live birds business in Lagos State. She also commended the State Commissioner for Agriculture for her support and for always standing by them.
Dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ìjọba Sanwó-Olú àwọn agric wọ́n ń ṣe púpọ̀ lọ́rùn àwa ẹlẹ́dìyẹ. Ó di ọjà mọ́kànlá tí ìjọba ti fún ní ẹ̀bùn ńláńlá. Ó di ọjà mọ́kànlá tí ìjọba agric náà ti fún lẹ́bùn ńláńlá. So àwọn Sanwó-Olú a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn, Commissioner for Agric a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o.
Olusola Osoba has also, with her executives, pleaded with the state government to help them deal with people who sell chickens on the roadside, saying they are not representing the good image of the association. She said most times they sell in a dirty environment and such is not encouraging and health-threatening.
Gbogbo ẹlẹ́dìyẹ inú ọjà la ti ń tà, kì í ṣe ohun téèyàn lè máa tà lẹ́sẹ̀ títì. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin ìjọba wa ẹ bá wa mójútó àárín yẹn. Ẹ̀dìyẹ láti tà lẹ́sẹ̀ títì ó ń bàlújẹ́ ni.
The president has also called on all members of the association to live in love and unity and also work together in love as a team.